Uh, Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I want us to explain example 12 of the sequence using the Gauss formula. And it's very clear that according to Gauss formula, which I'm going to use to explain this question, that it is very easy to get the sum of the first n terms of a sequence. So using Gauss formula, show that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way plus 99 plus 100. In other words, find the sum of the first 100 natural numbers. Because when we start with 1, 2, 3, all the way to 100, then we have 100 terms. Find the sum of, and of course, you are supposed to show that this is equals to 5050. And we have been taught by Gauss formula, if you followed the PowerPoint, we are told that the sum of the first 100 terms, as far as we are concerned, is given by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way plus 100. And now the other thing is that we should start from behind and get the sum of the same 100 terms from behind as explained by the Gauss formula. The sum of the same 100 terms, the first 100 terms, we start from now the last, which is 100, plus the second last, which is 99, plus the third last, which is 98, plus 97, plus all the way until now we come to the first. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road, because as we do the sum of all this, the sum of the first 100 terms plus the sum of the first 100 terms is actually going to be twice the sum of the first 100 terms, because this is going to give you one sum and this is going to give us another sum. So we are going to get twice the answer that we need. But if you look at this, 100, 1 plus 100 is 101, 2 plus 99 is again 101, and 3 plus 98 is again 101, and it's showing something. You can already see that we are having the same sum, because even 4 plus 97 is 101. So we are going to have so many 101 all the way to the last one. 100 plus 1 is another 101. In other words, how many 101s are we going to have? We are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 100. So we are going to have twice the sum of the first 100 terms is 101 times how many times? 100 times. Because we are going to have the first term plus the last term, the second plus second last. How many 101s are we going to have? We are going to have 100 101s. And what is this? And because we do not require, we can even first of all find out what is that before we can even go to anything else. We can also find out what is 101 times 100. 10, 100, this is 10,100. That is twice the sum. And because we are not interested in twice the sum, we are simply interested in the sum of 100. We simply divide both sides by 2. So we divide by 2, we get just the sum of 100 is equals to 10. 100 divided by 2. When you divide this by 2, of course you get 50, 50, 5050. And that is the answer to that question. 5050. What do we say? Hence shown, because that is exactly what you are to show. Thank you, and let us work together.